This is how to replace a radio in a 2006 Chevrolet HHR. First thing you can do, you're going to pull this down. Alright. If you get it down, you're going to need to unhook stuff. Maybe we could do this with it out of the way. I cannot do it with one hand. Second, find the right size socket for that, which is a, where is it? 7mm. Take these screws out. You want to take them down, take them all out, all the way down. Alright, then you got to go to the other side. When you take these out. Okay. You have to take these bolts out right here too. And I unhooked the cigarette lighter and the rear windshield wipers. And I just moved the console up here so it's out of the way. So now I'm going to finish removing this one and then I'm going to pull the radio out. Next, you got these wires back here you got to unplug. We can do this one. Trying to do this with one hand is pretty difficult. Now one more. Just push down on this little tab right here and pull out. And like I say, it's a lot easier with both hands. Once you have the radio out, this is what it looks like. So the next thing we're going to do is get the dash kit and put the dash kit in. Okay, depending on your radio and depending on your installation kit, this how your installation kit may go. Let's see. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to hook up the harness. Same way you unplug it. You're gonna, if you get an aftermarket radio, you're gonna have to get an aftermarket harness. And you're gonna have to get one like this. And that part number right there is for the HHR. This box right here keeps the factory chimes and everything whenever you open the door and got the car, leave the keys in. Like the keys are in now, it's not going off. Because all your chimes come to the radio now. So you're going to take these plugs right here and you're going to plug them up right there into the factory wiring harness. Next, you want to put your radio in the dash and put your bolts back in. Now this is maybe hard on some cars. Like on this car, there's not much room behind the radio, so you kind of got to stuff everything behind the radio or underneath the radio. But you put all that in, put your bolts back in, and continue to put everything together. Next, I will put the AC unit back up. and I'll tighten all them bolts up. Alright, now that it's in, alright, then once it's in, you plug your windshield wiper back up, your cigarette lighter back up, and you'll be good to go. Alright, and then alright, you put your panel back on, test everything, make sure everything works. I'm going to have to do a little bit of tweaking on this one. It's not locked in all the way. I might actually cut out part of the back of the dash so I can get the wires in there all the way. But thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you next time.